Hi, and welcome to this episode on adding payments for invoice and pay. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session, we'll simply look at how to add a payment for your customer. So let's get you started and increase cash flow for your business. So within the banking menu, you have two payment options, one for outgoing payments and one for incoming payments. So an outgoing payment is an option for your suppliers to record payments to your suppliers and incoming to record payments received from your customers. So let's click on incoming payments, click on new incoming payment and start off with first of all selecting the customer. So you can see here the dates have defaulted to today's date, so we can change the dates to record the payment if it has already been recorded earlier. You can enter in any references or remarks. And then down at the bottom here, you can see that it lists off any of the invoices that are still open to be paid. So very simply, all I have to do here is tick the box to select the invoices that I'd like to pay. I can, of course, if I wish, to reduce the amount being paid. I can actually untick the allocation box and actually type in the exact amount to pay on this invoice, perhaps only half of the amount. Then I'm here for the select payment method. I select how I want to pay the invoice. So whether that's by transfer, cash, check, or split the payment over those payment methods. And I can also record it through Stripe for credit card. So let's just simply select the bank transfer. And all I do, I can see here that it's got the bank transfer amount. I simply just click on OK. It's got the transfer date on it automatically. And then I simply click on Save. So now my payment is added. And the details will now appear to confirm that on this particular invoice, that this amount was paid for that invoice. In addition, now I can take some further actions where I can download the PDF for this payment, or if necessary, of course, to cancel the document. I can also email it to my customer. And just to mention, of course, under the incoming payments, depending on your localization, you may find that there's a payments report available also. Well, I hope that has helped you to understand adding a payment further. And if you require any further help, please check out our articles on help.enterpryze.com or simply reach out to our support on the chat box here, or you can also get a direct link to the Help Centre. Thank you for watching.